All right. Um, I want to use this means to introduce some of the features we have in Ahia POS accounting system. All right. This is our login page. Okay. Now, to log in, we have different types of accounts. What we mean by that is that we have an admin account, we have a salesperson account. Now, if you go to your file, under registration, we have user registration. Now we can log in as an admin, we can log in as sub-admin, accountant, manager, or sales. The essence is a salesperson will not have the privilege to, you know, to modify some of our settings or have the privilege to give discount and do some changes in the stock. All right, but an admin will be able to do any change he or she wishes. And some of the features we have here include under registration. We have user registration, which I've just explained. We have supplier registration. You can register a supplier, you can register a customer, you can register staffs. Okay. Now we have managed product. Under managed product, we can add new product, product adjustment, suppliers transaction, welfare, warehouse manager. Because of time, I'm not going to make this video too lengthy, but these are some of the things we have. Under warehouse manager, you can transfer goods from one store to another store. Let's say you have goods from main store, you can actually move it. It is telling us that you cannot move products to the same location. So you choose the location where you want to move it, or to the store. Maybe from your office or parking shop to a particular office, then you move it. Okay, and you assign the number, but I'm not going to do that. You can restock in case maybe the goods in the warehouse A is finishing, you can restock. Okay, I'm not going to do much on that. Now we have return sales. You can do return sales. Let's say somebody sold this item, and the person brought it back and said, I don't need it again, or it's damaged, or because of whatever reason. And as an admin, I can be able to return this sales back to the stock. So this quantity will be added back to the previous quantity we have if I click return sales. Alright, so we also have another feature, settings. Under settings, you set your company's details. You do your company's details, company's name, address, and change the logo if you wish to. You can change the logo to whatever you want. If I click save, it will be saved. Alright, we still have user registration. We have user settings, printer setup. You can set up your printer, the kind of printer you are using. If you are using A4, you want to print in A4 size paper, you can use this. You can use 58 mm. By default is on 80 mm. Okay, we have impressed. We have expenses. Under expenses, somebody can do expenses from the money in the shop, or the money that was sold from the office or business. You save it, it will be added. At the end of the day, the computer will tell you how much expenses you have made. Under view, we have invoice, we have return sales. You can view all the sales that we have returned in so day, from so time to so time. You can view all of them. You can view who returned the sales and all of that. You can as well export it. So we have out of stock. You can know the stocks that are finished. Okay, you can know the stock that are finished so that you'll be able to restock. We are having, according to my database, I'm having about 1,376 items or products that are finished. We have expired product as well. You can view the product that have expired, stock history, customers transaction history. Here, customer transaction history, here can give you, view of a customer's performance Okay, you know whether the customer is actually patronizing you or whether you need to book that customer for a reward at the end of the year. So you can know the total amount of what the customer actually bought for a particular period of time, and you know this customer have not given us anything since this time. So that is on that. We have suspended, okay, our stock monetary report. You can view all the stock you have in your office, like to know the worth of what you have. From here we have a total item of 3,610, the cost value. You understand, you get your expected profit. All right. You can view suspended sales. I will talk about the suspended sales later. Now, let me quickly show you how to impute stock. If you go to our sales, we have a lot of items. Like our database is showing us we have more than 3,000 something items. Now, how do we enter them into the system? This is how we go about it. From the stock entry, we have Easy Stock Manager and Advanced Stock Manager. Easy Stock Manager is a quick way to enter item. Like now, I want to enter a product. I'll call it, what do I call it? File, office file. By default, the thing is on cap lock. Okay, office file. If it has barcode, you snap the barcode here, and let's say it's 20. How much does it cost? 200. How much? Let's say 300. Okay, are we selling on wholesale? Let's say the wholesale price is 250. All right, so we save, product save, successfully added. All right, now if we search for this product here, we can see it, office file. Okay, now if I go to my sales, I search for office, this office file, I can sell this product. Now this is where it's important. Now I can add the number of quantity I want to, and the system will add it for me. Okay, under this place we have different things going on here, which I would like to see how much I can cover, but I hope you pay attention. The customer, you can select a customer. It's not a must. You can select a customer to sell to. You post the sales. Okay, goods sold. So remember, you can print out receipt. I don't want to print out receipt. Remember, the office file was 20 and we sold 2. So if I check office file here, now it's telling me we have 18. Okay, good. Now let's say I want to sell office file again. You can do, the person wants to do on credit, you can change it here. The person want to pay some now and pay later, you can do it here, and some other things. So this is the basic. If you can also, as well, instead of searching from here, you can just put your barcode here and search directly. Okay, so there are many things going on here, and you can actually change the payment method the person wants to use. If the person is paying in cash and POS, click here, then it's telling you, okay, put enter amount for POS, you click 200. So the system will distribute it. Okay, cash is 100 naira. You get? So that is it. Now if you are giving discount in normal, if you are giving 20 naira discount, the system will minus it. If you are giving it in percentage, the same thing. So there are more to this software, and the basic is what I've shown you. If the nature of your work is such that people come and book for services or book for things and come and another day to collect it, the system also supports that. We use what we call suspended sales. Let's say zip detergent. Okay, let me say you run a laundry office, laundry service. Okay, let me register washing of clothes. Let's use something that is washing of trouser. Okay, you can put any amount. Okay, let me say the rated price is 300 to wash a trouser. Let me quickly do this. So washing of trouser. Okay, now the person is washing trouser and it's 300, and the person will be coming to collect it when? Okay, you put collection date, you choose the day the person will be coming to collect it. Okay, and then you select you did in this aspect. Now you must select the customer name. If you don't and you want to suspend, the system will tell you customer name is missing, so you must, let's say Matthew. Okay, suspended sales. So if you want to view this suspended sales, you go to suspended sales and view. So you can view the due date. The due date for this is 5th, on the 5th. So these are the goods that will be available, that should be ready for customers on the 5th. All right, I will pause the video for here, and some other time, if there are any other questions, we'll continue. And before I go, under the stock entry, I told you we have easy stock manager and advanced. The advanced stock manager enables us to enter stock in packs, in cartons, in any sizes we want to. All right, if you need more clarification on this, you request for the video, or you go to our YouTube channel and get it. Like, let me quickly log out and sign in as a salesperson. Like I told you, a salesperson does not have all of this privilege. Let me log in. I think the password for this salesperson is alright. I'm correct. Now you see, unlike what we had before, here now we only have limited things. Okay, so thank you so much. Some other time we'll continue. Goodbye.